Hello everyone, welcome to XOT Metals. Today we are going to continue introduce titanium fasteners to everyone. Today the main topic is for the fasteners in the racing industry. The racing industry, such as for the automobiles and the motorcycle bikes. For this kind of industry, they need the titanium in high tensile strength. So we choose all the titanium round bars made of titanium ANS 4928 aerospace specification. All the raw materials are melted with class 2A, the specification. And all the fasteners we offer the tensile strength can meet above 1100 MP, even to 1400 MP. And right now, XOT Metals is approved suppliers from Ducati and Honda and KTM, the main manufacturers of motorcycles in the world. And also, in order to fast shipment, we stock different flag screws in DN 6921. Look at this in different size. This special design and with different holes on the hand, two reasons. First, this can reduce the weight of titanium screws. Second, this can help the motorcycles go faster. And these screws just we made for Ducati as tailor-made as their drawings. You can see special design, and what's more, we made colors on the surface. This strength is the tensile strength and yield strength, and also the colors can help the screws 5 to 6 years longer than normal screws. And look at this one. This one is screws we made for Honda. In 2010, Honda get contact with us. We just custom made titanium screws for their different motorcycles. And what's more, those are the screws we made for other motorcycles in Taiwan, in Singapore, and also in Spain. Different customers. All those are tailor-made as customers' drawings and requirement. If you're interested, we have the catalog of a racing industry. Our sales can send to you.